All right, I'm cutting across to big news coming in as SBI files a compliance affidavit before the Supreme Court. SBI says State Bank of India has ready records in which the date of purchase, denomination and the name of buyer were all recorded, and in relation to the political party specifically, the date of encashment, the denominations of the bonds encashed were recorded. SBI says it had handed, or rather hand-delivered information to the Election Commission of India as well. 2 PDF files given, stored in a pen drive. Both PDF files' passwords have been protected. Well, this is a huge development there that comes in as SBI says that we have complied with the Supreme Court order and all the data of the bonds, the details, specific details of the companies, etc., all handed over in pen drives to the Election Commission of India. Kanu Sharda with us, tracking developments in court. Kanu, SBI's response to the court saying that they have filed a compliance affidavit, or rather they have filed the affidavit itself that in detail speaks of the details that they've given to the Election Commission of India. Break it down for us. What have they said in court?
Yes, Nabila, the 2-page affidavit which has been filed by the SBI before the top courts basically says that, what details they have, filed before the ECI yesterday. So the details include that who had purchased those electoral bonds and which political party has redeemed it. Very importantly to note here that all this data has been submitted before the Election Commission of India in a digital format. They have submitted 2 pen drives, which both are password protected, and they have submitted all the data to the Election Commission. Now, Election Commission will have to comply with the further direction from the Supreme Court to publish all this data by March 15, 5 p.m. On their official website and make it public. So on March 15, we came to know that who all have donated, who all have purchased those bonds, and which all political parties have actually redeemed it. So it is very, very interesting to see on March 15 that what kind of data and what kind of information will come to know from the Election Commission of India's website. But for now, CMD of SBI has told the Supreme Court in his affidavit that they had complied with the judgment of the top court, which was delivered on February 15, wherein two separate data were required to be submitted. First is of the purchaser, and second one is of which political parties have redeemed it.
All right. Well, it's interesting, and of course, at this point, the SBI says it's done its part. Now they have to be releasing the names on its website, all the details of all those companies or individuals who've donated to political parties through electoral bonds. Those details need to be explicitly furnished on their website for people to see. Well, SBI handing over all the data to the Election Commission of India through pen drives. So now they've been directed to also declare it on their websites. Thanks very much, Kanu, for joining us on that.